Hello, this is the third video for Section 2, Chapter 2, Math 0302 Beginning Algebra. In this video we're going to start out with solving 8x minus 5x minus 3 plus 9 is equal to x plus 3 minus 7. Now, one thing we need to do before we do anything is we need to simplify both sides. Okay, so we have 8x minus 5x. Notice that we have an equal sign here. So on the left-hand side we have 8x minus 5x as like terms. So 8 minus 5 is 3 and label it as an x. Then we have negative 3 plus 9. They're opposite signs, so we subtract. That gives me 9 minus 3, which is positive 6. Now here's my equal sign, so I need an equal sign here, is equal to x plus x. X plus x is 2x plus 3 minus 7. So plus 3 minus 7. Again, opposite signs, so we subtract. 7 minus 3 is 4, and the 7 is larger, so it's a minus 4. So what we're really going to solve here is 3x plus 6 equals 2x minus 4, because we've simplified both sides. The problem here is that I've got an x here and an x here. We need just a single x in this problem. That means that anything that's over here needs to be brought over here to the other side, and vice versa. Anything that doesn't have an x needs to go to the right-hand side. So all x's to one side, everything else to the other. Here's the thing. To switch sides, to switch entire terms, you must add or subtract. That's very important. Okay, so because this 2x, this entire term, needs to go to the other side, we're going to have to subtract 2x from both sides. Now I'm going to do this very slowly here. So 3x minus 2x is x, and then we have plus 6 here. So x plus 6 is equal to 2x minus 2x cancels each other, and then minus 4. Notice that we have something like we did before. That's good. So now we need to get rid of this plus 6, and to get rid of it I need to subtract 6. So subtract 6 here, subtract 6 here. So the 6 goes away there, and I'm left with x is equal to negative 4 minus 6. Same signs add, so that's 10. They're both negative, so keep it negative. That means that my solution set here is negative 10. But again, we need to check this just to make absolutely certain that this is true. That means I need to plug this negative 10 back into the original problem. So that's going to give me 8 times negative 10 minus 5 times negative 10 minus 3 plus 9 is equal to, and then negative 10 minus 10 plus 3 minus 7. So I'm going to write that just down here. Negative 10 minus 10 plus 3 minus 7. Notice I didn't have enough room to write it over here. So I'm just going to rewrite this after multiplying. So that gives me 8 times negative 10 is negative 80. Negative 5 times negative 10 is positive 50. Negative 3 plus 9 is 6, is equal to negative 10 minus 10 is negative 20, and then plus 3 minus 7. Sorry, I kind of went ahead and did some addition and subtraction here. I was really wanting to just do multiplication, but that's fine. Negative 80 plus 50 is negative 30, because you subtract and you use the sign of the larger number. Plus 6 is equal to negative 20 plus 3 is negative 17, and then minus 7. Negative 30 plus 6 is negative 24, is equal to negative 17 minus 7, which is negative 24. Excellent. That checks out. That means that negative 10 is, in fact, the solution to this linear equation.